Next in the line. After this, it is Mr. Sham's presentation.
184, right? 184.
This is for A94 are not come.
Okay, hello, Professor. Hello, Professor. Can I start by now?
Yes, you can start, sir.
Okay, hello, everyone. My name is Lincoln, and I'm from Vietnam, and I'm currently working in Taiwan. Thank you for being here today. I'm excited to share with you an innovative idea that can help address one of the biggest environmental challenges in Vietnam, waste management. Today, I will introduce our project, which use artificial intelligence AI to improve waste classification in restaurants. This is not just about technology, it's about creating a greener and more sustainable future for all of us. Introduction, let me start by asking, have you ever thought about what happened to the waste you threw away? In Vietnam, waste is often not sorted properly, and this leads to pollution and waste resources. Our goal is to solve this problem by introducing an AI-based waste classification system in restaurants. The system will one help sort waste faster and more accurately, to increase recycling rates, to reduce waste going to landfills. Three, educate people on how to dispose of their waste properly. This project is about combining technology, education, and community to protect our environment. Background, why do we need this system? Vietnam is rapidly developing country and the restaurant industry is growing very fast. However, waste from restaurants is a serious issue because one, it is often not sorted, which makes recycling difficult. Two, poor waste management leads to pollution and environmental harm. Three, many people lack awareness about how to handle waste properly. For example, plastic bottles often get mixed with food waste, making it impossible to recycling them. Our solution will have restaurants maintain a cleaner and more efficient waste management system, educate customers to participate in protecting the environment. Uh, our project aims to develop a smart waste management system using AI. The system will one automatically and accurately classify waste into categories. To use AI to optimize recycling and reduce waste. Three, teach customers simple and practical ways to dispose of their waste properly. We believe that by combining AI technology and human participation, we can make a big differences. So now let's talk about the methodology. This is how we use technology to make the waste sorting faster and more effective. First, we use machine learning. This helps the system recognize patterns in waste type. For example, it can learn a difference between a plastic bottle and a glass jar after seeing many examples. Next, we use computer vision. This is like giving the system eyes to identify the material in the trash. Then deep learning is applied. This makes the system smarter over time. The more it works, the better it gets, even for the item it hasn't seen before. We also analyze data in real time. This means the system immediately collects and study information about the trash. It helps track how much is being recycled or wasted. And finally, reinforcement learning helps the system improve through feedback. If it makes a mistake, it learns from that and avoid repeating it in the future. So we install five types of bins in restaurant, label for food waste, plastic, glass, aluminum, and others. And we also for the educational tools, we also provide clear introduction on how to sort waste using poster, video, and even chatbot to assist customer. Imagine a chatbot reminding you to put your soda can in the right bin. Monitoring technology. Cameras and AI will monitor how waste is being sorted. If waste not sorted correctly, the system will alert the staff or provide feedback to customer. The next one is data collection and analysis. The system will collect data on the types and amounts of waste generation. This data can be used to improve restaurant operation and reduce waste over time. Community engagement. We will organize workshops and events to raise awareness about waste management. For instance, hosting a recycling day where customers can learn and participate in recycling activities. All these technology work together to make waste sorting faster, faster, and more accurate. This is not just about using fancy tools. It's about raising a system that works better every day to reduce waste and protect our environment. Next one, the expected result. If we succeed implement this project, we expect to see increased recycling rates. To improve public awareness, customers will become more conscious of their role in protecting the environment. Data-driven solution. By analyzing waste patterns, we can find smarter ways to manage waste and improve recycling system. Positive environment impact, cleaner trees, less pollution, and a healthier ecosystem for future generations. Imagine a city where waste is no longer a problem, but a resource that supports sustainability. The next one, conclusion. To build a cleaner and greener future, we need a combined effort from individual businesses, and technology. Uh, Here are the three essential pillars of success. One, education. We must raise awareness about how important of managing discarded material and resources effectively. Two, technology. Innovative tools like AI can revolutionize how we process and repurpose our leftover materials. Three, community engagement. It's vital to involve everyone in raising sustainable habits and taking collective action. By reducing the volume of discarded items, improving recycling system, and teaching proper practices, we can make significant environmental progress. Think about this: every bottle, every speed of food scrap, every speed of packaging that we choose responsibly is a step toward healthier planet. Instead of seeing this material as waste, let's view them as opportunity to make a positive change. Next step. So what's next? Here's our plan. One, gather feedback from customer and restaurant staff. Two, use data to improve the system and make it more user friendly. Three, report the outcome to evaluate the project success. And four, expand the system to more restaurants and eventually to other industrials.
Food industry from North Carolina.
Thank you for listening. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact me at this email. And let's work together to make the earth cleaner and more beautiful for future generations. I hope this presentation has inspired you to think differently about waste. Small action can lead to big change. Let's take the first step today. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Lincoln.
Yes.
The floor is open to the questions. Chair, Dr. Abdullah.
First of all, very nice presentation, sir. And regarding this AI-based waste classification, could you tell me, are there any other programs that are being run in your country relating to this waste classification? From where you got this inspiration?
Yeah. Okay. Because Vietnam is rapidly developing country and the restaurant industry is growing very fast. So, waste from restaurant is a serious issue because it's not it's often not sorted and we make recycling different. And we have poor waste management lead to pollution and environmental harm. So we we decided to use AI to help people to make classification easily in the restaurant. And this is the purpose for our project.
So, in your words, it is first of its kind in restaurant industry. Is it so?
Yes, I already opened the many restaurant in Vietnam, and yes, and now when I finish the master in AI, and I think the master is really, I think the AI really useful for how we can classify the waste and how we can solve the waste management. Uh,
So, just one of my concern was while giving presentation, some historical background or something related to your literature. So something was missing. I mean, any work related to your field. So maybe someone is done in any other country. So I mean, in order to justify your research in that context. Anyway, it's all fine, and I just love the presentation, and congratulations to you. And
yeah, thank you. But,
Dr. Joseph?
Lincoln, have you done any sort of pre-test in Ho Chi Minh City or any other other cities in Vietnam?
I live in Ho Chi Minh City and I open many restaurants in Ho Chi Minh City.
You run a restaurant?
Yes.
Okay.
I
What's
have Vietnamese now working in Taiwan. But 3 years ago, I worked in Ho Chi Minh City and opened many restaurants in Ho Chi Minh City.
Okay. The culture. See, Vietnam itself is one of the highest, fintech related, and they were forward in all sort of what do you say, technological base, like gamification games and all these things.
Yes. Yeah.
So, as you told, how successful it is, because I've been to this country around 2 years ago. I feel the manual system itself is best. So why do you want an AI? There isn't any serious problem.
I agree with you that we need time to prepare for this system, because this system is really modern for now, because in Vietnam we have many brand of restaurant and many brand of coffee and but for the waste management problem is the big problem in Vietnam, and because we don't know how to classify the waste properly, and even the people in Vietnam don't know how to put the paper or the glass in quick bin. So we need to first we need to educate people first, and then we create AI tool can help people to teach people to how to classify this just. And I think this need time to make the system effective in Vietnam.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Great. So I think your model should be successful. As Dr. Abdullah told, have you gone through a lot of literature on this?
Professor, can you say it again? I cannot.
No. As Dr. Abdullah told, that have you gone literature? Have you gone through the literature in the past? Because see, restaurants. If you say Ho Chi Minh City and Hanoi, all these places doesn't have a doesn't have an independent restaurant, but they have lot of small based stores. Now basically, it can be a convenience store or it can be a food street kind of things. So how do you educate these people for the classification of waste?
Yeah, like I said, that it's take time to make the system work effectively in Vietnam, and we will build a simple system in the restaurant first, and then we will expand this system to the other industries and the other restaurant. But Vietnam have many restaurants, the famous restaurant, and have many brands. So the field of the trust for every day is really big, it's really large, and so we need the system to classify, to have people, to have customers to classify the trust. So I think we will build this system to small restaurant first to see the effective from this system, and then we can expand this system to the other industries and the other restaurant, the big restaurant.
Okay, great, Lincoln. See you then. Thank you.
Any more questions from the participants in the room?
Can I?
Yeah, please.
Hi, Lincoln. Very
Yeah,
nice
hi.
presentation. Just wanted to check how affordable is this AI-based scanner to reduce wastage? That is one question. Second one, are you considering or calculating the waste right from the purchase or the procurement of raw material till it goes into the bin?
Yeah. Okay. Can you wait for me 10 seconds to think about that?
Are you asking me to repeat the question?
Professor, can you say the question again?
Yeah. How affordable is this AI-based food waste technology or the system you have in place? We know yours is a standalone restaurant. How affordable is this for everybody to have this installed in their independent restaurants or standalone restaurants so that collectively the food waste is reduced? So how affordable is that? That's one question. And the waste which you're talking about, is it about the food waste which goes from the plate of the consumer, which is a leftover food, into the trash bin? Or is it right from the procurement of raw material till the end stage?
Okay, I see. I know. We believe that AI will make the sorting process faster and more accurately. And for example, computer vision can identify materials like plastics or push scrap instantly and ensure they are placed in the correct bins. So AI can analyze data over time to detect the pattern, helping us to optimize the recycling rates and reduce inefficiency. So we yes, it's really difficult when we I think AI will over time AI will get better to identify the trust and identify to detect the trust and to detect the pattern. But this this project we really hope this project will be successful in Vietnam. Because in Vietnam we lack awareness of how to classify the waste in restaurant. So I think because we didn't see and we didn't see the result clearly in our project. So we need time to I think we need time to measure the successful the effectively by the system.
Yeah, got it. I think if you put some quantifiable data, it will add little more sense on how successful or how well you're able to measure, the food wastage, how you're going to minimize and reduce. Yeah.
I got you. But Yeah, but I believe that AI will make the sourcing process faster and more accurately, better than human. Uh, and they will better over time. They will get better over time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So nice, Lincoln. Mr. Uday will get in touch with you on the given email ID on the screen. So both of you can have a better reach.
Professor, I didn't.
One,
I
are
didn't
you
hear.
mute, Happy sir?
No.
Mr. Uday will get in touch with you on the mentioned mail ID. Anyway, thank you, Lincoln.
Thank you, Professor. Thank you, Professor.
Thank you. Moving on to the next presentation.